Without any doubt, homemade bread tastes great, but not everyone has the time or inclination to mix, knead, and watch over a dough ball while it rises. For many people, the lengthy process is neither convenient nor practical because it can last for many hours. A bread machine makes the bread for you by just adding all the ingredients and pressing a few buttons, making the procedure simpler and faster. Additionally, you have complete control over the ingredients in your bread and can experiment with a variety of loaves, from artisan bread to white bread. In this video, we will talk about best bread makers of 2022. But before we start, we want to tell you to stay until the end of the video, because during that, we're going to tell you something special that you can't miss, so stay tuned. 5. Amazon Basic Bread Maker Machine. If you are looking for the BST budget bread maker for your kitchen, there's no better option than the Amazon Basic Bread Maker Machine. The LCD display, a load capacity of 2 pounds, and 14 distinct settings are among its most valuable characteristics. In point of fact, it is a non-stick bread making machine with a maximum load capacity of 2 pounds and 550 watts of power. It has the capability of automatically mixing, kneading, rising, and baking fresh bread. Because it has an express bake mode, it can bake bread in a little under an hour and a half. The extraordinary feature of this bread maker is that it has 14 different settings for manufacturing different types of bread, doughs, gluten-free alternatives, jams, and other foods. There are 3 different crust color options available: light, medium, and dark. In addition to that, it features an LCD display and simple button controls. Thus, it lies in the budget and is best bread maker. 4. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker. If you're looking for the BST gluten-free bread maker, the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker is a top pick. It offers 12 programmable settings, a digital display, and dishwasher safety. In 3 simple steps, it can produce fresh homemade bread. You must just add your ingredients, choose the cycle, and push the start button to start the bread maker. The ingredients and nutritional content in this bread maker are within your control. This Hamilton Beach Bread Maker allows you to create nutritious loaves of bread devoid of trans fat and preservatives. Create dough, bake a cake, or create mouth-watering fresh bread loaves. Basic, French, gluten-free, quick bread, no yeast, sweet, 1.5 lb. Express, 2.0 lb. Express, dough jam, cake whole grain, and bake are some of the cycles available. It is amazing for making dough. For dinner rolls, pizza crust, cinnamon buns, and other items, you may prepare a variety of yeast doughs in the bread maker machine, then bake in a regular oven. If you find this content valuable, please let us know by smashing the like button. If you want to know more interesting gadgets for you, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's go to the top 3 of best bread maker. 3. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso. Best choice is Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso if you are looking for the BST Zojirushi bread maker. It boasts features including dual kneading blades, a 13-hour delay timer, and can hold up to 2 pounds. Bread machine. Multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan are a few examples of healthful course settings. For better results, the bread maker's dual heaters on the bottom and lid thoroughly knead the dough. These heaters also support even baking and browning. You can bake a loaf of white or whole wheat bread in about 2 hours and 25 minutes using rapid courses. The simple key code on the lid and large, easy-to-read LCD display makes choosing a course much easier. It also includes a rapid set ting to have your loaf ready to eat in less than 2.5 hours. Choose the rapid setting. It has a 39-inch cord and a 120-volt/700-watt electrical rating. Your machine. The Cuisinart bread maker machine is our pick for the best compact bread maker for your home kitchen as compared to all others. This bread machine has a total of 12 per-programmed menu options, a viewing glass, and 3 different crust shades. These are the most crucial features. The technology behind it is of Cuisinart caliber, so you can expect a higher crust, color, and texture. It is totally automatic, simple to operate, and straightforward thanks to its 12 per-programmed menu options. It can bake a loaf that is up to 2 pounds in weight and has 3 different crust colors: light, medium, or dark, along with a bread pan and a kneading paddle that can be removed. It features a vertical baking pan that is tiny enough to fit on a countertop. In addition to the inside light, it has a lid that has a viewing window built into it so that you can keep an eye on the bread while it bakes and monitor the process. 1. Breadman Professional Bread Maker. You should choose the Breadman Professional Bread Maker if you're looking for the BST bread maker overall. There are 14 different baking options, a measuring cup and spoon, as well as a 15-hour delayed timer, among other strange features. A collapsible kneading paddle is included. To avoid holes in the bottom of loaves, this cleverly engineered kneading paddle shrinks before baking. Actually, perfect bake technology is what it is. It was designed to bake uniformly for a consistent crust color, texture, and flavor. Additionally, included are a measuring cup and spoon. A crucial aspect is the 14 baking functions. Simply choose the bread kind and level of lightness or darkness that you desire. This machine has settings for artisanal, low-carb, and gluten-free loaves. Thus, this was all about the best overall bread maker of 2022. We hope you found this video review useful. Remember that you have the product links below in the description. We want to thank you for staying until the end of the video. For this reason, we want to make a special giveaway and buy for you the product of your choice among all our reviews. You just have to click on the link you have in the description and follow the steps to participate. We'll need your email to tell you when the draw will take place. Don't wait. Sign up now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.